Dear friends, welcome to our channel on important updates on various aspects relating to accounting, taxation, law, etc. In this video, I'll give you a quick snapshot on the company's Fresh Start Scheme 2020. As you are aware, companies registered under the Companies Act are regularly required to file various returns, statements, and documents like your annual return, your financial statements, and so on and so forth. These documents are required to be filed on the MCA portal within a specified due date. And in case you fail to file, it attracts late fee and may eventually lead to penalties and prosecutions as well. There are many companies that have not filed these returns for a very long period of time and for reasons known best to them. And if they have to file these returns now, it will be required to pay late fees from the original due date till the date of filing these returns. Most of these late fees are incremental on a daily basis, and if you have to pay them today, it will end up in thousands of rupees, or for that matter, lakhs, depending upon how long the delay is. To reduce this hardship and to enable companies revive back to normal compliance state, the government has introduced a scheme called the Companies Fresh Start Scheme 2020. The government has granted a one-time opportunity to complete their pending complaints by filing the necessary documents without any additional fees for these delays. The company will be required to file only the normal filing fees. More important, immunity will be granted from penalty and prosecutions as well. So what are all the documents that can be filed? Pretty much most of the forms can be filed except a few forms related to your charge creation, your authorized capital modifications, etc. In fact, few companies have stopped functioning for a while, but they still remain on the list of companies in the ROC record. Opportunity has been provided for these inactive companies as well. They can apply for striking off and be done with it. This is a golden opportunity for companies who have defaulted in for quite some time to clean up their mess with respect to the ROC filing and avoid huge fees. So if your company is doing well in business and just not filed these returns, file them now and have a peaceful state of mind. However, on the other hand, if your company is not functioning and you want to close it, use this opportunity to strike off from the register of companies. Once again, I am repeating, this is an one-time golden opportunity and don't miss this. A similar facility is available for limited liability partnership firms as well. LLPs that have been default in filing their returns can avail this opportunity and can come clean. So when is this available? When is the scheme available? It's available right away. The scheme is open from 1st of April till 30th September 2020. So avail them. Don't wait till the last minute. Get into action right away and start afresh on a clean slate. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please feel free to revert back to us. Bye and thank you.